Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, everyone. Today we've got something truly exhilarating for all you speed enthusiasts and Italian design aficionados. We're diving into an in-depth review of the 2026 Ferrari F80, a machine that doesn't just break necks, it breaks boundaries. If you've been dreaming about the future of hypercars, buckle up because Ferrari just rewrote the script on what's possible. Let's start with the exterior, and believe me, it's nothing short of breathtaking. The F80 looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. From its ultra-low slung stance to its aggressive aerodynamic elements, every single curve and crease serves a purpose. The front fascia boasts laser-sharp matrix LED headlights and a razor-thin grille that feeds air into the active aero system. The sculpted carbon fiber hood features active vents that adjust based on speed and temperature. Along the side, the massive air intakes are carved like art, cooling the hybrid V8 powertrain while also looking absolutely menacing. At the rear, it's all about drama. A floating rear wing, quad exhaust tips, and a massive diffuser make it clear this car is built for more than just showing off. But it's not all show. The performance of the 2026 F80 is absolutely ferocious. Underneath the carbon titanium monocoque shell lies a plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a twin turbocharged V8 with 3 electric motors. Combined output, an insane 1,200 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 mph in just 2.1 seconds, and a top speed over 250 mph. The F80's new e-Odd system dynamically distributes torque to all 4 wheels, giving it surgical precision in corners and ridiculous traction off the line. Ferrari's active suspension and magnetic dampers ensure that despite the performance, you never feel like you're being punished on rough roads. And thanks to a lightweight design that keeps weight under 3,000 pounds, the F80 dances through curves like a ballerina with a rocket strapped to her back. Now stepping inside, things are just as futuristic. The cabin is a blend of motorsport minimalism and next-gen tech. You're immediately greeted by Ferrari's new curved OLED display that wraps around the driver, presenting everything from real-time G-force data to lap telemetry. The steering wheel is now fully integrated with capacitive touch controls, lights, and even voice recognition. Gone are traditional buttons. Everything is haptic or gesture controlled. The seats are race-bred carbon shells wrapped in sustainable Alcantara, with cooling and heating options. There's even a small second screen for the passenger, letting them follow performance metrics or control the in-car entertainment. Soundproofing has improved too, allowing drivers to enjoy the thunderous V8 when desired, or silence when cruising on electric-only mode. And of course the big question, what's the damage to your bank account? Well, the 2026 Ferrari F80 comes in at a base price of around $650,000, but don't expect to walk into a dealership and find one waiting. Production is limited to just 599 units globally, and most are already spoken for by longtime Ferrari collectors and VIP, with options like custom carbon finishes, heritage liveries, and performance packs. It's easy to push the price north of $750,000. So to wrap it up, the 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just another exotic. It's a glimpse into the future of performance, electrification, and Italian passion fused into one spectacular machine. Whether you're a track day warrior or a collector of icons, the F80 is one of those rare cars that will go down in history, not just for what it is, but for what it represents. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you think of Ferrari's latest hyper creation. This has been your detailed review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. See you in the next video.